I just put 720 miles on this bike. Look what happened. This bike is just gonna give you a problem. Big problem. Look at it. 720 miles on this bike, and this thing is already broken. See the spindle. Come on, Shimano. Explain this to me. Explain this. Why this thing is broken. The motor is good. It's still running. And you want me, because of this, I need to replace the whole thing? Come on, I just need the parts. I just need this spindle. And you want me to replace everything? Freaking expensive. Come on. It's a nice bike. Nice bike, but not good motor.